So here our next topic is alignment of views. Projection system. First angle projection, third angle projection. First angle projection that is followed in the European country, ISO standard. The third angle system is used in Canada, USA, Japan, Thailand, and in our course we also follow USA. That is a third angle projection. First of all, what is first angle projection, first angle system, third angle system? That is also called first angle projection system, third angle projection system. Here coordinate system is shown. Here this is the first coordinate, second, third, fourth. That is the first quadrant. Place the object in the first quadrant. Here now draw its front, top and side view. Okay, now I will place this glass box in the third box. Here you will see that is a third coordinate. When you place the object in the third quadrant, that is a third angle system. Now I will go in detail what is the difference in the first angle and the third angle. Here in the third angle, under the box, that is the in front of box. Now see what is the difference in the first angle and third angle. There is a minor difference. When you will see from this side, you will see this face and this bottom part. Now this part. Okay. Now the same view will be drawn in the third angle. You will see this front face, this part and this part. Now the all due to in the parallel projection or in the orthographic projection will be placed in front of the plane. Okay, you got the idea. Now from when the observer will see in the first angle system from this side, this object, there is some hidden feature that is shown with dash line. Now same here in the from this side, now the hidden feature. Now from the top view, now observer comes above this plane. The remaining part. Now same way in the third, the projection will come upward on the plane. Here. Now I will open these boxes by placing pins or hinges. Here you got these three views and you got these three views in the first angle projection. Okay, here, that is third. Now folding line, cut this from this side. Okay, you can see previously just cut from this side. When you will open here, this will be like that. Similarly, folding line, cut from this line. Sorry, cut from this line here. Then you will open here. This is the arrangement of views. So you can see this is a top view, this is front view, this is side view. So in the first angle, here is the side view, here is a front view, here is a top view. So the first angle, third angle is just the arrangement of views. In third angle system, which we will follow, that at this location we will draw front view, at this location we will draw right side view, at this location we draw top view. This is the object, same object, front view, top view, right side view, right side view. Okay, in the third angle system there is just the difference is arrangement of views, otherwise the views are same. So we will follow in our course third angle system. Top view will be at the top, front view at this location, and right side view on the right side. First angle projection here, when you will see from this side, and when you will see from this side. Now in the third angle projection, here, here, both views are same, okay, but the difference is of alignment of views. So here there is a front view, and here is a right side view. Now you will just, after making the views, you will write the dimensions, what is the dia, what is the length, what is height. So all these dimensions you will mention.